Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're fine. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a bootable USB drive in your Windows laptop or PC, or for your Windows or laptop PC. So the first thing we need to do is to first open up your favorite browser, obviously. In my case it's Chrome. And then you have to download a bootable USB maker software, which is also known as Rufus. It's a very popular and famous bootable USB drive creator tool. It's completely free, very small. You can also use some other softwares, but in this case I'm just going to show you how to create a bootable USB drive using Rufus software. So just search for Rufus and Rufus download. Click on the first website, which says rufus.io. It should have this small USB icon or logo and this Rufus name. Just click on that, and then you will be directed to this official Rufus software website. Scroll down a bit, and then you have to click on this one, Rufus 4.1.exe, if you have a Windows x64 computer. If you have a Windows x86 computer or 32-bit computer, you can download this one. And how would you determine this, that which computer you are using? Just in my case, just right click on yours or go to your system. You can do this by going to control panel or in settings, and then in about section you can see I have a 64-bit computer operating system and x64 based processor. So I'm running x64 bit software and processor. So I would download this x64. You would also see a portable version of the same x64. So don't download that one. Just download the first one, which is type standard. Then you will see a small ad. Then close the ad, and then the software would be starting downloading. And here is it. So just have to click on save to download the file, and it's a very small file, just 1.3 MBs. So it's now downloaded. And you also need an operating system ISO image file. For this example, in this example I'm using Windows 10 ISO to create a bootable USB drive to install Windows 10. Obviously, if you are trying to do with Linux, you should also download the Linux distro ISO file, and then you can install from that USB drive. Or you can install Windows 8, 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 11, all the same way. You just need an ISO image file of that operating system. We have downloaded our Rufus software. Open up your download folder, and you will obviously see a Rufus software. Just double click on that to open up, and then click on yes. At this point, okay, you can. Now it's also asking us to, did you allow to Rufus check for software updates or application updates online? You can say no or yes depending upon your Wi-Fi connection. So I have Wi-Fi connection right now, and just I will click on yes, no problem. And then you also need a USB drive, obviously, and at this point you can also connect it to your computer, obviously, to create a bootable USB drive. Just plug in your USB drive in a USB 3.0 port for optimal and higher speeds. After I have clicked, okay, I have connected that USB drive. It has already detected it by itself. Now we have to select the ISO image file. It already says disk or ISO images. Just click on select, then select that ISO image file. I have that in the download folder. Here is it, Windows 10 ISO. So I will click on this, click on open, and then we are good to go. Now it says, so just keep this at standard Windows installation. Now it says partition scheme. It's very important. It says GPT, and if you click on this, you will see a drop down menu for GPT and MBR. So which one should you select? So just right click on your Windows logo, and then start button. Click on this disk management, open that software, and then right click on your primary disk. And for example, this is Windows 11 my C drive, so just click on that drive and click on properties, then go to volume tab, and then you can see it's grid partition table GPT. So I'm sure you'll be understand by this that I need to go with GPT. If it says master boot record or MBR, you should select MBR. In my case it's GPT, so I will click on GPT. So now after selecting that, just you have to change your file system. It depends upon you. You can select FAT32 or NTFS. It depends completely on you, but I would recommend to go with NTFS. And then simply just click on start, and then it would say customize Windows installation. So just don't select anything and just click on OK. And then it says warning, and let me show you what actually it means, that all the data on that drive would be deleted. So before proceeding to this process, make sure to completely take a backup of that USB drive. Okay, click on OK, and then it says that in partition, and it's now partitioning it as GPT and TFS and doing it all the work by itself, and it would take some time depending upon your USB speed and your computer speed, and also the size of that image file. If it's very big, it will obviously take some time. If it's small, it would be done in a few seconds or minutes. So now I can see the time. After some time it's been done, just simply click on close to close the Rufus software. Now you can put the USB drive on any computer to install Windows. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. We will meet our next video. Thanks for watching.